Let's add a slide like this to your Canva for the chicken coop project. We're going to do that by running Google Earth Pro, not the online version. You'll search for your elementary school and pick a spot, someplace in the shade so that the afternoon sun doesn't kill the chickens. Let's take a look at, I'll do Royal Ridge Elementary School. Make sure it's one in San Antonio. Since we start off facing north, you can tell that right up here, we're going to pick something on the right side of a building. So looking over here, that might be a good spot. Keep in mind it's going to be on this side. So even if you rotate, we should be able to get down in here. Looks like there's some good shade right in this area. So we're going to get close, but not too close. We don't want to go into the ground view. And now we're going to place marker that. So click on it. This is going to be for the chicken coop. And before you click OK, move this to its location. I'm going to copy that while I can. And then I'm going to download an image. So leave yourself some space, either on the right or the left, for you to put that message to your principal. When you save image, you have the option to click up here and type in the name of the school. And this is going to be where we are going to put our latitude and longitude. Since I copied it earlier, I can paste. And I just need that second one. To get back to those, you can right-click on the place marker and go to Properties. So we can copy that. Go back up here and paste. So we have the exact latitude and longitude for that position in the shade for Royal Ridge Elementary School, with some space right here. Now this legend, you can leave that there if it's nice and simple. If there's a bunch of stuff you don't want, you can go to map options and turn things off, like the legend right there. Now we need to save the image. I would save it to your OneDrive folder so that you can find it later. And I'm going to put today's date, 26/05/21, and this is Royal Ridge Elementary. And then you'll add that to your Canva, make a rectangular box, and type in your message. You can see the one that I did right here. Shows the school, the location precisely. You should be able to see that place marker, label it the chicken coop, and then you're going to look up your principal. There's an animated GIF for that, and just put their last name right there. You can write this yourself, but we want to get that basic message across.